Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to play Minecraft one block on your mobile device. First, you need to make sure you have Minecraft Pocket Edition installed on your phone. It's available on both the App Store for iPhones and Google Play for Android. Once you have it downloaded, open the game and tap on Create New to start a new world. From the world types, choose the one labeled one block. Before you create your world, you can change settings like the game mode, difficulty level, and even enter a specific world seed if you want. Now you'll spawn into your one block world. You'll see a single block with a tree on top. Break down the tree to collect wood planks. With the planks, you'll want to immediately craft a crafting table. You'll also need sticks, which you can make from the planks, and then use those sticks and more planks to create an axe and a pickaxe. Now the real fun begins. Start breaking the block beneath your feet and dig down. As you break the block, new blocks like stone, dirt, and maybe even coal will appear. This is the core mechanic of one block. Break the block to get new resources. Gather these resources and start building upwards. Place the blocks you've mined on top of the original block to create a platform and expand your base. Keep mining and exploring. You might stumble upon things like abandoned mine shafts or even strongholds, just like in a regular Minecraft world. Don't forget, when night falls, monsters will appear. Make sure you've crafted some weapons and armor to defend yourself. From here on, it's all about progression. Keep mining, gather more and more resources, craft stronger equipment, and eventually work your way towards defeating the Ender Dragon, just like in a normal Minecraft game. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.